Obusua enemy the NASA break joining issue abeto jano and I made a episode more away fide so after the slain MP of Infantman constituency Honorable Ekokwansa Hayford they say what atwana nanom ewo ensedono ensempi na abetoja de afa no hom na before ensem bi se obi ewu avia na chisem de yenka no bone ekwanso nanso mother's rights no chese ensem de bi akoso pa so ewo ebra na wote ase no na sesi afoforo kra abetoja ewo ensem no emu enese MPE late MPE said not as a warrior no mienu and the first wife and Ophelia Kwansa Hayford and yet formerly ASP of the Ghana Police Service as a CRD one resigning as MP at the Ama constituency no emu now about phrase so the no abetu eja ene Mrs. Sarah Kwansa Hayford now watch them when MP no Asia in the year 2009 that's womoka odo ebomu ni obi sa ne se wo yere anase wo ni obi nete wo anase de ekoso na problem no watch them mo kire ne se wa worry that so or your divorce that is or your uncle nam se a obetimi aware no no ono no so atna as ne yere na elopra man akukudro matters wo de ne ko kire na busuafo na munu ho no ma anche and on the 8th of June 2013 woye bibia entotoye wo fiesa sensan je se krata bebre e wo kota ya dance die se ampa o ware no na eno echi a je se ntie miensa echi 2016 eno sha se wo nya cause e di efi oba bi wa no ba no edi Ophelia na woba no friend na na ase de wo threaten ase de oba ne kan sem bi fa ne kunu se ne kunu so yo no so ekunu na wanti ase sense na ne kunu dia to de nim e dia to no so de butu enim se we divorce artist woni yere tina ensem no and tia sense de nim sa nti wo de to ne kunu de nim ma ne kunu ka che no on the first attempt no say one ignoring course na wonya no one forget it cry na no obi asa nti won fa ento nche na wo say stone na not test message se ba na course ne ba e na e ba ntema no ejina so ebisa ne kunu ebiem e kan ho na no ne tina se oni ne di nkomo ka che ne se ne a wife no eye Ophelia Mrs. Ophelia Kwansa Hayford no wode no separate at officially they no mun divorce but no na separate wode no NTB because now wode ne yere no the second wife Sarah Kwansa Hayford no and ete e watakwa na we expect and we can say we ban ni mame enchen e wo kekos because we the only son of Nimami. Ninti according to Sarah Kwansa Hayford iso no wapacha said she wasn't aware Sena first wife be a warrior Ophelia Kwansa Hayford na you worry ni vie ye ne 3 years mu and what say a yere no e wo na wo yes ni kunu yes separated from at said one also legally married to ni kunu na usha na one also didn't say babetu ja utimi won say si ade one also epese wonya the rightful place ewo ni kunu ebusia ene tese na djuma emu na wo chiremu eliko cheta ka se wo de betu eye ni kunu ni mami enim say ena airport so cause we receiving the airport so say anonti de no omo so omo ka che no ena ni kunu ni mami no ede to de nim say ebushafo obi aya we say ne ba no eye honorable Kwansa Hayford the late no wo eyire no mienu the first wife Ophelia Kwansa Hayford and ebiem to no the second wife the Sarah Kwansa Hayford then that's abre eyire no mienu and abetoja na tete dey hu say eyire na wodi kan ye dey post MPP for gina to mom the position say wonyire mu no one as a member of parliament and former Infantman constituency and until obey the Sababatuja and now said Jempa and no person won't prove it with the latest revelation of what they able to do. Now, no, that as a Trinity, I could check our Kai said, Ebra, I was so west we gone. MP, I that war a Emmanuel Chairman Ejakum, we are not similar issue at Beto Judges and now. Yeah, but you say, well, you know, and yet to see our honorable Lydia Hassan near Bill so powerful for Visa and also a the tissue and also a legal wife of the MP. I also know after what they pre-position there, uncle ye and famano. Nunti means here, say, you say, and no be an a year or by what you see at their prayer now, or not so bad, not as when you acknowledgement to say, or you're legally married to the late MP no and not to know about bonte but didn't near no to moon say one also is qualified to get something because on also have it the proof I do so so according to the story no editu muso no say another wife of the man into no so when you so no so betimi edaba bonte edaba fighting for bibia eda ho ni kunu no the kunu japade and say ni kunu bibia will be April one said the other wife April no so we echefa mu anything no so de ne ho aba bonte na ni name ni say most of the times no legally the first wife no and I will be accept to say the main wife maybe the second wife no one shana maybe so position you be pray na say you be pay bi e de ama one shana oba no odika na e no bedi ednam e de amanikunu na ni nemu no ye de say ne bedi e chese ne bia no so e ba ko sisen so about out where the second wife are legally married to the late Ekokwansa the former MP for Efantsman constituency so no say be na to say or no to be in your position na say be jai sa man say me be chire bia so ye beto mu ewo ye video so need to stay tuned on Tumaji8 na bia me to follow ye our Instagram page at Tumaji8_ and Twitter and Facebook page and so nana ama obusa enemy di makra mo na me aduma e be say edi eshabi
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Ojampo. But me family the great tempo. Bring. One man come on here too much GH. Too much GH. Mu too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.